Hello friends, welcome back to Tech Space YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you all are fine and doing good at your home. So guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and if you are new to our YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell icon so you will get our videos as well as soon. So today's our topic is very interesting and it will be gonna too much interesting. So let's start our topic. So today is our topic about the video editing and how you can remove the background of your video. So let's start our topic. First of all, we will be discuss about how can you remove your photo background. So it will be very easy. Let's start our topic. Okay, so here you can open your Google and you can easily type remove background. Okay, so you can easily remove background from here. So it is a safer site. I have used from 2-3 years, and this is very safer site, and you can easily use this site for editing and remove background from your photos. So, and it is really free website. So here we have to upload an image from your gallery. So I will go to upload an image. So here I will upload this image. Okay, so here is my image. So you can see our background have been removed and only these two characters are remain. Okay, so like this you can easily do your editing. So let's start. Let me check out an application which is very proved useful to remove the background. So here I will type remove background. Okay, so here are different kind of application are given, but I will suggest you one application which is very good for removing your background from photo. After that we will discuss about the background remove from video. Okay, so you can see the photo background change editor, and 10 million downloads it has, and 22k reviews it has. You can easily install this application for changing, and you can see these are very interesting. You can also remove the object here. So I will not going to install this application, but you can easily check out this application, and it is very full of templates. So you can easily edit your photo, and you can easily remove object from your picture. So you can check this application that it will remove or not. So let me check out is it really remove background. So let me check, and I think it will take too much time from here. So let me suggest you the website which will be easily remove your video background. Okay, but it will be paid. Okay, this application is very good application and very secure application, and it will also remove background from your video, but it will charge something, and you have to buy ownership of this video. But it is easily, and it is remove originally remove the background. So you can try to upload your video here, and it will be soon remove background, but at the time of installation it will be create some mess because you have not verified and you have not login here. So first of all you have to login here and buy their subscription, and then you can see there are different kind of editor figures are here. So you have to first sign up here, and first of all buy their package or subscription. So guys, I think you have enjoyed our video. If you have enjoyed our video, then subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell icon so you will get our videos as soon as possible. We will be meet in next video. Take care of yourself. Have a good day.